This video looks at sketching cubic graphs. Now we're given a function which has been factorised and we're asked to sketch the function. Now the key points here are the x-intercepts. Now these are where the brackets equal 0. So we have x equal to -2 as one x-intercept and x equal to +3 as the other. So these are the roots. We also have the y-intercept. Now this happens where x equals 0. So when x equals 0, I can find the y-coordinate. 0 plus 2 is 2. So y equals 2 squared times by 0 take away 3 minus 3. 2 squared is 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. So the graph also cuts through minus 12. So the graph will only cut through the axes at these 3 points. However, it's a cubic graph. We have a power of 2 here and a power of 1. And a cubic graph has the shape roughly like that, or maybe like this. Now, to cut through those 3 points, one option could be down like that, like so, or maybe like this. Now, here's a key point. The factor where x equals -2 came from had a square. Now, when we get an even power, the graph will only just bounce off rather than cut through the axis. So the graph can't bounce off like that because it wouldn't get down to the y-intercept. So the graph must come up and bounce off like so to then pass through the y-intercept and then go back up again to pass through 3. So that is the shape of the graph. Another option is to put a negative value, e.g. -4 in to find the y-coordinate. Again, another value, e.g. 4, and find the y-coordinate to be able to get a feel for the shape of the graph. So this graph cuts through at -2 and also at 3. And it says here, state the values of x, which satisfies f of x plus 3 equals 0. Now if we have x plus 3 in the function, this is a translation. Left, plus 3 goes left by -3. So the original intercepts were -2 and 3. So if we shift the graph left by 3, then the new values of x, which are the roots, will be at x equals -2 take 3 is -5, or x equals 3 take away 3, which is 0. So just to summarise this asked for the new roots of the graph having been moved left by 3. We knew the old roots, so moving it left by 3 created a root at -5 and at 0.